Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome to a mid-afternoon snacky poo. Cheers, big ears. I'm feeling a little hungry this afternoon. No real plans for supper today, so I think I'll have a mid-afternoon snacky poo. And today, I'm going to have a beef sub. We did that sous vide sirloin a few days ago, so I'm finishing up the rest of that. I got some in the freezer for future reference. So, pretty basic. We got our sirloin, we got some Monterey Jack, hot pepper rings, nice German mustard, some Lowensenf, nice bun, already buttered, lightly buttered. So, plain and simple. Throw some cheese down, because cheese is good. Everybody wants cheese. Nice. And let's go in with some beef. They don't have one of those fancy panini machines. They're too expensive. Half decent one is about 130 bucks or something, so I ain't buying one. Too rich for my blood. And unemployed. I've got by so far in life without one, so I don't think I really fucking need one anyway. Eh? How about that? Bitchy? Yeah. There you go. That's good enough. Should put a bit more. Mustard. No. Put this mustard. Fine German mustard. Beauties. I'm liking this. It's gonna go together beautifully. Yeah, just a little bit more up here. Hey, never hurts to have a little more on top. Peppers. Gotta have some hot peppers on there. Fuck, I went to the Walmart the other day, they didn't have any fucking peppers at all. Like this. Good enough. And a little more cheese. Why not, eh? Cheese up, bitch. Oh, that's fucking great, eh? Alright. When you can't get to Mr. Sub, knife. Perfect. Roll her up. Let's heat this fucking bitch. Bam! Alright. Well, that's going. Cheers, big ears. Ah, jeez. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, bitches. After about 50 seconds, or 45, whatever the fuck I pushed, we're good to go. Woo! Nice. Might be a little too warm. Ah, it's fucking great. This is exactly what the fucking doctor ordered. It is hot. Fucking A. Oh yeah. Beautiful. There you go. Not a cure of the munchies. Just a little hungry. Snacky poo. Bastard style. So how us fucking bastards do it. Mmm. Oh yeah. Cheesy. The cheese is oozing. Fucking right. Okay. Go and make yourself a nice beef sub. That's fucking delicious. Oh yeah. Fucking hey. That Montreal steak spice around the outside of the beef. Beautiful. Alright, cheers big ears. RTFO mofos. Rock the fuck on, bitches. Woo! Until it's time for another snacky poo. RTFO.